Here we are harvesting the aranghita. This is the big dalandan here in Philippines. So I don't know what you call this, but this is a dalandan. Big dalandan. Ayun pa bibi ko, ayun. Yeah, so many more here. So we're here mga ka-families. We're eating here because hinog na po siya for today's video. So madami po kami. Oh my God. Ang dami-dami nila oh my God. So we're gonna eat this. Many more. So if you want, kuan na. Sabi dyan na. Wow. If you want this, so you're going here in the Philippines, in Bicol, I will give you more. Yes, hindi po kayo madamot sa dalanda. Hindi mo, bipigil pumpon. Patingin mo niya.